TobenONE DisplayLink Dockingstation 4 monitors real test. Quad 4K results professionals trust. Picture this. 4 different adapters tangled behind your desk and your third monitor just flickered off during a client presentation. Embarrassing silence filled the room. I watched the colleagues scramble through that exact nightmare last month. The frustration was almost physical. That moment made everything painfully clear. Something had to change. Ever felt that creeping dread when technology fails you? The consequences run deeper than inconvenience. Missed deadlines pile up because half your screen real estate vanishes randomly. Your shoulders tense every morning, wondering if today your setup cooperates. One creative director told me she wasted 11 hours monthly troubleshooting connection failures. 11 hours gone. That mental weight quietly drains your best energy. But clarity exists somewhere. Relief feels possible, almost within reach now. Don't just pick any docking station. Make sure it has true Quad 4K at 60 Hz output, so you never experience random display disconnections during critical work again. That single requirement changed everything. The TobenONE DisplayLink Dockingstation 4 monitors became my answer after testing multiple alternatives that promised much but delivered frustration. Here's what actually matters. 4 independent HDMI ports, each pushing genuine 4K resolution. 20 total ports, eliminating every adapter you own. 150 watts powering the dock and charging your laptop simultaneously. And universal compatibility spanning Windows, Mac, and Chromebook seamlessly. One senior developer nearly missed a product launch deadline when his previous stock failed mid-demo. He switched to the TobenONE and now runs code editor, terminal, documentation, and communication tools across 4 crisp displays without interruption. Game changer. The gigabit Ethernet delivers stability video calls desperately need. SD card slots handle media transfers instantly. 6 USB ports accommodate every peripheral imaginable. Everything connects through one single cable. The simplicity feels almost unfair. But does this performance actually last? 3 months later, the experience remains flawless. My desk stays clean, my workflow stays uninterrupted, and that familiar adapter anxiety has completely disappeared. One hardware reviewer who tests dozens of docks annually put it simply: the TobenONE handles Quad 4K output more reliably than competitors charging 50% more. The 150-watt power supply prevents the throttling issues plaguing cheaper alternatives. That professional validation matters, but everyday users confirm the same reality. A financial trader running 4 monitors for live market data shared that after 6 weeks of daily use, he experienced 0 disconnects and 0 display flickering. His previous setup failed weekly. Now he trusts his tools completely. What about the learning curve? The DisplayLink driver installs in under 3 minutes. Most Windows systems download it automatically. Mac users simply grab the DisplayLink Manager app. That initial 5-minute setup unlocks years of frustration-free productivity. Professionals across industries are quietly upgrading their workstations. What would you do with 4 reliable displays and 0 cable chaos? The momentum behind the solution keeps building. No forced complexity here. Consistent performance becomes your new normal. Results compound daily without drama. This represents more than a dock purchase. It's an investment in daily peace, sharper focus, and professional-grade efficiency that respects your time. Developers, traders, creators, and remote professionals are discovering what a genuinely reliable multi-monitor workstation feels like. Results may vary based on your specific setup, but the pattern remains clear. The link waits in the description below and pinned comment. One click starts your path toward a cleaner desk and calmer workflow. Worth exploring. Why not see what the TobenONE DisplayLink docking station can do for your productivity today?
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.